Santorini, a jewel in the Aegean, where the sun kisses the horizon and the sea glimmers like 1,000 diamonds. I remember the first time I laid eyes on those iconic whitewashed houses, their blue domes standing proud against the backdrop of an endless sky. It felt like stepping into a painting, a dream woven from the threads of history and beauty. Oya, with its cobblestone streets winding like whispers of the past, draws you in, urging you to lose yourself in its charm. The sunsets here are nothing short of magical. Golden orange light spills over the cliffs, reflecting off the water, transforming the landscape into a canvas of warmth and wonder. But it's not just the views that captivate, it's the stories etched into the very stones beneath your feet. The Akrotiri archaeological site, a testament to resilience, lies buried beneath layers of volcanic ash, a silent witness to a civilization that thrived long before our time. Walking through its ruins, you can almost hear the echoes of laughter, the bustling life of the Minoans, their artistry and innovation preserved in time. And then there's the food. Oh, the food. Fresh seafood, caught that very morning, grilled to perfection, paired with a glass of local wine that carries the essence of the volcanic soil. Each sip tells a story, a connection to the land, to the sun, to the sea. Santorini is not just a destination, it's an experience, a tapestry of nature, history, and culture woven together. It invites you to savor every moment, to breathe in the beauty, and to carry a piece of its magic with you long after you leave. It's a place where time stands still, and the heart finds its rhythm in the dance of waves and whispers of the wind.